Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Hello, students. Today we continue with the chapter 2.2, A True Story of Sea Turtles. Students, if you remember in the first part, we learned how the author and his team tried all possible ways to protect the turtle. So, at first, 50 nests were protected. The villagers were thrilled seeing the hatchlings. Here, the meaning of hatchlings are the young ones rush into the sea. Never had they seen such a wonderful sight in their lifetime. It looked like the hatchlings received an ovation. An ovation means a loud applaud from the onlookers. Onlookers are the spectators. Further, the author reveals some secrets about the turtles. Now, there are 7 types of turtles, and 5 of them are found in India. Look at the picture which is given above. It is a kind of turtle which is called as olive ridley turtle. When the female turtle reaches her maturity age, that is, in about 15 years, she comes to the shore to lay eggs, almost the same place where she was born. After laying the eggs, she rushes to the sea and does not even return to the nest after that, unlike other animals and birds. The eggs are hatched in 45 to 50 days using natural heat, and when the eggs are hatched, they too rush towards the sea, facing innumerable dangers. It is also said turtles keep the sea or the oceans clean. Now, students, I want you to find out how they do so and share it in the class. Then, one after the other, most of the surrounding villages too implemented the turtle protection. Strategies were set up involving those people who once stole eggs, and they were trained to protect the turtles. First, they did something bad, and now these were the people who were trained. Since they had more knowledge about the eggs and how deep they were and how they could extract the eggs from the nest. The media was also brought into use. Films were telecasted which attracted tourists visiting the country, and this added to the income of the villagers. When these tourists came to stay, the villagers helped them out with whatever they needed, a place of stay and food requirements, and so on. So it also added to the income of the villagers. Encouragement awards were given, called as Kasav Mitra. Kasav means a turtle, and Mitra is friends. So you can say the friends of the turtle. Turtle Friends clubs were set up in every village. Finally, this work was entrusted means handed over or given, was entrusted to the forest department, the Gram Panchayat, and last but not the least, the villagers. Now, we quickly take a glance through the textual grammar and a few questions. Now, this grammar will be done with you in detail later on, But here let us take a glance over it. If you remember, you have learned in the 8th standard about clauses. Okay, so let us see what are the main clauses in these sentences. Now, the main clause is a complete sentence. It is also called as a simple sentence. It has its own existence. And the other clause, which depends on the main clause, is said to be the yes, it is the dependent clause, or it is also called as the subordinate clause. Now, the first sentence, there are a few people in every village who keep combing the beach in the early hours of the morning throughout the year. Now, if you look at this sentence, it is a complicated one because the main clause is not at a stretch. It is in two parts with the subordinate clause in between. So here the main clause is there are a few people in every village in the early hours of the morning throughout the year. So if you describe them, it is who keep combing the beach, it's talking about the people. And therefore, if the subordinate clause, if you take the kind of it, it is the subordinate adjective clause. Here we are only going to underline the main clause. The second one, when the turtle comes to the shore to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail just like the track of wheels on the sand. Now, the main clause over here is at the end. That is, she leaves behind a trail just like that of wheels on the sand. This is your main clause, because a main clause is a simple sentence. It has a subject, it has a verb, and it has an object, the subject and the predicate. The second thing what we are going to learn here is use of words such as, like using the word never. Now look in the sentence. It was for the first time they had seen the hatchlings rushing to the sea. So how can you use the word never over here? You can say they had never seen the hatchlings rush to the sea. Similarly, you can find out certain sentences where you can use the word never. Framing WH questions. Now, many a times you frame WH questions, okay, to get the underlined part as your answer. Like, for example, they had to watch over the protected nest to prevent thefts. Theft means a robbery. Now, what is underlined over here? To prevent thefts. So, it looks like a reason, and therefore, whenever there is a reason, the WH question you are going to use is why. Yes, so the question is why. Why did they have to watch over protected nest? And it ends with a question mark. Since it's a question, it ends with a question mark. Now, students, you have difficulty in finding the personal response question answers. Like, for example, suppose if you are asked a question, have you seen any turtles? If so, where? If not, would you like to see? Your students can write on their own what you have seen, and if you have not seen, then what would you like to do? Second question, why was it necessary to undertake turtle protection on a large scale? Okay, so these questions you can find out. And also, this is a very important question. Do you think that we in India look after and nurture the flora and fauna around us? Flora means the vegetation, and the fauna is the animals. So, do we really look after them? India being such a populated country, Do we have a place for these creatures? So let us find out what answer we can write over here. With this, we come to the end of the chapter. If you have doubts, we can solve them later on. Thank you.